Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to change your email on Pocket Option. Now to change your email on Pocket Option, you need to actually contact customer support directly. I'll give you their email address. It's support@pocketoption.com. Add a subject like this: request to change email address on my Pocket Option account. Okay, and then what you need to do, you need to give your registered email, right? You can go ahead and write something like this. Explain what you would like to do, basically update the email address that is associated with your Pocket Option account. Just explain that you no longer have access to that old email. Give them your full name, your registered email, your old one, the new email you would like, your account ID if you still have that available, and just tell them that you're ready to provide any necessary documents such as ID verification, KYC details, know your customer details, to basically confirm your identity, prove that it is actually you. And when they give you any questions or they ask for any documents, just give it to them. That is how you go about this. Just give your full name and you're done. Okay? So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.